Hi, thank you for your interest in joining the Marriott International family. Once you find a job that is a match to your experience and interests, click Apply online to proceed. You will then be asked to review our privacy agreement before going any further. You may need to create a new account to apply for a job with us. Your account allows you to submit your resume or CV electronically, apply to multiple jobs now or in the future, and keep your profile up to date. To create a user account, you'll need to select a username and password of your choice and provide us with an email address where we can reach you. First, let's go over how to create a username for our system. Your username is an ID unique to you. The username field is case sensitive, so it does matter if you capitalize the J in your name or use a lowercase j. Usernames should be at least 4 characters long and cannot contain spaces. This likely means that your username will have to be more than just your actual name. We suggest trying a combination of letters and numbers. Julia 4114, for example. If for some reason you get a message that says username is not acceptable, try again with a new combination of letters and numbers. Don't forget, write your username down somewhere before we move on to passwords. To set up your account, you'll need to create a password next. A password is important so that your account cannot be accessed by anyone but you. It must be 6 or more characters and include a combination of at least 1 letter and 1 number. No consecutive characters, though, like AA or 22. Also, your password cannot contain your username. We recommend you try using words or a combination of words that isn't obvious to others, but that you can remember. Try a favorite book or band name combined with your age or shoe size. Get creative. Did you write down your password? Don't forget to keep a record of that too. Once you've selected a username and password, then you'll need to enter an email address. If you do not have an email address, there are many free web-based email providers, and you're welcome to select whichever one you'd like. We'll use Google's Gmail to walk you through the process of how to sign up for an email address. First, go to a new browser window and type in gmail.com into the address bar at the top of the screen. Then, click the Create an Account button on the top right corner of the screen. The next step is a bit lengthy, but we'll get through it together. Fill in your first and last names. Then you'll create a username. This too has to be something that isn't already in use, so you might need to try a combination of your first and last names, nicknames, or initials. Even add some numbers. Keep trying until you find a username that is available. That will be your email address when you combine it with the email provider name. For example, julia.lee94@gmail.com. Next, choose a password. Just like with your applicant account password, try using words or a combination of words that isn't obvious to others, but that you can remember. Continue to follow the next few prompts for information. Next, Google asks you to type the string of letters you see into the box as a security check to prevent computer-generated spam. It may take a few tries to get it right, but don't give up. You'll need an email address to apply to our jobs. The terms of service is the last step. It covers legal and privacy issues. If you're happy with their terms, click I accept, create my account. Then you're done. You now have an email address. Write this down as well and keep it safe. We know you're now juggling several usernames and passwords, but this is the only way to keep your information safe. We're almost done. You've selected a unique username. You've also chosen an account password, and now you have an email address. Click on the Register button, and then you can submit your application. Remember, keep your username and password somewhere convenient because you will need them to access your account and to submit future applications. Thanks again for your interest in joining the Marriott International family. We're eagerly awaiting your application.